In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact in the contacts menu. We'll walk through this process from start to finish in a simple, clear way so you can quickly create a contact record and make sure the important information is saved correctly. This is a basic task, but it's an important one because keeping your contacts organized makes it much easier to manage communication, billing details, and account information later on. To begin, go to the contacts section in your system. From there, open All Contacts. This is the main area where your existing contact records are stored and where you can review, search for, or manage the contacts that have already been created. If you're adding someone new, this is the right place to start because it gives you access to the full contact list and the option to create a new entry. Once you're inside All Contacts, click Add Contact. This will open the contact creation form where you can enter the details for the new record. Take a moment here to make sure you're entering the right information in the correct fields, since accurate contact records help prevent confusion later. Now fill in the required contact details. Start by entering the name of the contact. After that, add the primary person if that field is available and relevant for the record you're creating. Then enter the email address in the email field. Make sure it's typed carefully and formatted correctly so future communication can be sent without issues. Next, complete the billing address section. This is especially useful when the contact is connected to invoicing, payments, or formal account records, so it's worth checking for accuracy before moving on. As you complete the form, it's a good habit to quickly review each field before saving. Even small typing errors in names, email addresses, or addresses can create problems later, so a brief final check can save time. When everything looks correct, click Save. This will store the new contact in your system and add it to your contact list. After saving, the contact should now be available in All Contacts, where you can view it again, update it later if needed, or use it in other parts of the platform. That's it. You've successfully added a new contact by opening the Contacts menu, selecting All Contacts, clicking Add Contact, filling in the details, and saving the record. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.